Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. I'm going to show you in this video the 3 different realities of any audio brand. I'm going to do this, I'm going to show you this video quickly. I'm not going to read up everything since this is a long document. So you can always just pause your video and read through the text. And I'm just doing this as a service to people, so people can somehow get in tune with what they consider is the best for them on the market. So these are some very good tips for you guys that I recommend you all going through. So here we are. This is the first one, which covers 99% of all audio setups in the world. And yeah, like I've written here, it's only going to get you up to about a 5 to a 3 on a 100 scale of what's possible. This is the model that I discovered some years ago, model number 2, that about 1% of the people use in the world. And guys, if you have problems reading the text, I suggest you just up the resolution to about 720p. Then you should be able to read it on your computer or whatever you're using. And this will get you up to a higher level of audio doing the things that I suggested. I'm talking then here about a reality that I've seen many times, many times, visiting a lot of people. Here and here. And then I give you some suggestions to how you can actually beat this common reality of actually using what seems to be more money in the start, but actually in the end ends up saving you a lot of money. So this is just an example. I'm not sponsored by Macintosh or any other company to say this. This is what I would personally do instead of what a lot of my friends or other people that I visited would do. And I would go to this point, and if I wanted the best in the world, this point, and then, yeah, this point. Now this is the third part, the last part, and this is it's basically to show that this is for the people who have endless amounts of money, what they generally do. And yeah, still they only get up to about this on the what do you call it, of the overall potential. And yeah, that's basically everything, guys. So just gonna quickly scroll it up so you guys can see what I went through. And yeah, this is basically my story of having listened to most of the equipment on the market the past circa 25 years, I think. So it's a lot of information to take in, a lot of information, but I think by reading this, you guys will actually be very happy finding out what direction that you guys want to go in. So yeah, have a nice day.